Hi there, I'm David Taylor from Sheridan Accounting. I've been a practicing accountant for the last 20 years and running my own business, very much like you run your own business. Today I'd like to talk to you about three things from the business banking. The business banking sector has been opening up and there are now 19 banks in the business sector. Previously there's only been about 5 or 6. Now with this banking sector, you need to be careful on how you choose your new banks. There are a lot of new online banks that have turned up and they are quite restrictive in what they do with their banking. They don't offer all of the services that you might need. What services do you require from your bank? Do you need a checkbook? Do you need a debit card? What sort of things do you need from your bank? Because not all the banks will provide you with everything that you need. For example, when I was looking to switch my bank account, I needed a client account. And I had to go through and research the banks and find out which one would offer me a client account. Just because one bank will offer you a service of a client account doesn't mean to say that all the other banks will offer it. And when I was doing my research, it was a very narrow amount of banks that could offer a client account. Next thing you might want to consider, especially with a lot of the online banks, is that they're online. It's very difficult to get to speak to somebody and you might not be able to get the funding that you require. If you've currently got an overdraft and you need to convert that overdraft into your new bank, you need to research that and make sure that they offer the facilities that you need, be that loans, be that overdraft. So always consider those sorts of things before you change your bank. The final thing you might want to consider is how you want to interact with your bank. Here at the moment in September 2020, there's a lot more banks appeared on the marketplace. Many of them are online and you can interact with them not on a face-to-face basis and sometimes not even on the phone. They only have a web chat or email them. That's the only way that you can contact them. Now, if you're currently fine with social media and interacting on your phone and on your PC, then that's great. But if your business requires you to have different facilities, you need to actually interact with your bank, you need to go and meet with the bank manager, your requirements are more than just an online bank, then you need to think about that when choosing your bank. I hope you found this interesting. It's only a short video just to bring you into business banking and how we can help you identify which bank might be the right one for you. David Taylor, Sheridan Accounting.